Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about turning your home into a space you love without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into 5 simple and affordable DIY projects that can instantly boost your home's value. Whether you're looking to sell or just want to upgrade your space, these ideas will make a big difference. Let's get started. 1. Refresh your front door and entryway. First impressions matter, and that starts right at your front door. A fresh coat of paint in a bold but classic color, like navy blue or deep red, can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Swapping out outdated hardware with a modern handle set or adding a stylish new welcome mat shows buyers, or guests, you care about the details. Want to go a step further? Install some solar-powered path lights or potted plants flanking the entrance. These simple upgrades cost little but dramatically enhance that all-important first look. 2. Update your kitchen cabinet hardware. You don't need to renovate your entire kitchen to give it a fresh look. Replacing old knobs and handles with sleek, modern hardware can make a surprising difference. Matte black, brushed brass, or even simple polished chrome finishes can make your cabinets look brand new. This is a weekend project that requires minimal tools, just a screwdriver and maybe a drill. While you're at it, consider adding peel and stick backsplash tiles for an extra touch of elegance without a full remodel. 3. Install a shiplap or accent wall. Adding character to your home can be as simple as choosing one wall to highlight. Shiplap, reclaimed wood, or even peel and stick wallpaper can turn a plain wall into a conversation piece. This DIY project adds texture and depth to any room, from living rooms to bedrooms. Choose neutral tones or soft textures to appeal to a wider range of tastes if you're preparing to sell. It's a quick way to add visual interest without the need for major construction. 4. Improve your lighting fixtures. Lighting has a huge impact on how a space feels, and outdated light fixtures can drag down the entire look of a room. Swapping in modern pendant lights, chandeliers, or even dimmable LED bulbs makes your space look updated and high-end. In the bathroom or kitchen, under-cabinet lighting adds a subtle glow that feels luxurious. These upgrades don't require an electrician if you're simply replacing fixtures in the same spot. Just turn off the power and follow simple online tutorials. 5. Create a functional outdoor space. Outdoor living areas are highly desirable, especially in today's real estate market. You can easily build a small deck extension, install patio pavers, or even lay down gravel for a defined seating area. Add a few string lights, a fire pit, and some DIY-built seating, and suddenly your backyard becomes an extension of your home. These kinds of upgrades can add real value and make your home feel much more inviting, especially for potential buyers looking for lifestyle space. And there you have it, 5 simple DIY projects that won't break the bank, but will definitely add style, charm, and value to your home. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss more smart home tips and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.